Hey everyone, with Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing our vlogging series for the week. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord, and let's get into it. So we got I pre-ordered Skaventide. It won't be out till July 13th. I'll be building that. Right now I'm building a Dominion set. I just finished building all of the old world. After a Dominion set, then Skaventide. Then we are going to paint Skaventide first because it just came out. Then we're gonna rotate that with Skaventide and the old world for the videos for painting. I am gonna try to do voiceovers for them. I don't know how good that's gonna be. I probably have to go back and get Adobe, um, probably the yearly description. We'll see how that goes. Because Adobe's in hot water right now with the monthly subscription, all that stuff, and the cancellation for it as well. I'm also gonna be getting a lot of stuff from Amazon Prime, mostly for miniature stuff. I did show you guys the Wild Stick on the shorts. A lot of shorts gives a lot of video. I'm happy about that. A lot of these regular videos aren't getting it. Probably because I'm not doing any voiceover for it. And I have now 40K, Old World, and Age of Sigmar, and I have a lot of stuff to paint. And I'm probably gonna get a lot more paint as well that needs to be coming in pretty soon because I'll probably be using a shitload of metallic paints and flesh tone paints. I've been 3D printing. I got an under 3v2 FDM printer. I don't like it. I do not like the FDM printer, especially that one. Even though I built it, replaced the belt, I'm on how to buy a new base plate for it. The one that I got from Amazon sucks. It actually melted through the plastic on it, and I don't like the tempered plate that came with it. So I'm gonna try steel spring on it and see how that goes with the FDM printer. Um, Overall, I'm probably gonna get the enclosure one, like the Bamboo Lab. Save up money for that. All it does is auto level and prints whatever you need automatically. Because the one I got, it's very stressful because a lot of the pieces, even though I tighten them down, it just pops out. I think there's too many vibration or movement or something that makes the bolts and the gears just to shift over so many hours of it. Um, yeah, so I'm probably gonna end up getting a all-in-one FDM printer. That's a lot faster because the Ender 3v2, a small print will take about roughly 1 to several days for it. So I do not like to have paint prints. It's just will take about a couple days to a week to print, especially a very small one. So I think resin printer is for the win for me, due to the fact that there is a lot of time variation that I need to get through as well. So we got some proxy prints that's coming up for Skaven. The Rat Folk Skavens. I will make a video about that, so pretty soon. To see where you can go print some of these Skaven for your Age of Sigmar or Old World. There's a lot of them been coming out on the Patreon videos. If you keep an eye on a couple of those, there's going to be a lot of Skaventide type proxy for your Warhammer game. I didn't get the Stormcast people yet. They have different variation of that you can probably find on Cult 3D. It's just that a lot of them don't look good, and a lot of them are actually out of print. I think a couple of ones in Dominion pack that I got, they're out of print, or can be used in the official way tournament standard. But I'm probably gonna get a lot of the old ones that been going to be out of lists. Like a lot of the Beastmans are getting out. And I'm probably going to get the old ones so that I can paint them and at least have them. I don't really play any of these games. Don't really have the time due to schooling and driving my mom to work and back and so forth, and responsibility for that as well. So But you know, it is pretty cool. I think this is the first push pin that they made for these. It's atrocious. It's not that great. The newer ones from the 40K, I think for 10th edition, are a lot better push pins than these guys. These guys, I literally had to like cut and dig in and put a lot of glue and force on some of these things so they can look flush for it. And the it is what it is for those. I might kick bash a couple of them. I have some 3D printed parts for Age of Sigmar. Uh, that I don't know why I have it, but I do. So I might kit bash some of them, especially the armor. Uh, Even though the newer one looks a lot sleeker and slimmer, this was a lot more bulkier, fatter for it. It is what it is. So yeah, so that's pretty much all I have for you guys. It's just that there is a lot of stuff going on. I have 2 more weeks of school. It'll be this week and next week, and I have a 1 month break. Hopefully, within that 1 month break, it will take me at least 2 to 3 days to build everything I need for Skaventide and start painting a lot of them. I have plenty of orc for October, for an October painting session for October. So I won't be touching the orc goblin painting towards October. There's going to be nothing about orcs. And I'm probably starting painting the Tomb King because that's probably the most easiest one compared to the Bertolians for the old world painting, due to the fact that there's a lot of different type of color schemes of it. And if you want some Bertolian proxies and where to get them, I'll make a video of that as well. I'm probably gonna make a lot of stuff to get all your Warhammer fixes and needs that you guys really want. Because the box set was like $285 with tax. So that's a lot expensive, and it hasn't been sold out yet. And I'm very surprised because it comes with a lot of miniatures that goes with it as well. But we're gonna finish the Dominions up. I don't know what kind of armor color I'm gonna do, like silver or gold, or something else. Or blue. I really don't know. I'll get to that once I get the closet cleaned up, because I gotta store a lot of these unpainted. I have a lot more unpainted minis now that I just been building and building and building and putting it up on shelves, and it's not even funny anymore. Well, anyhow, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Ask me some questions. I might give you an answer. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.